Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 7th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved down to previous areas of support, pulled back, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 80.31, possibly as low as 79.33. Look for some resistance around 80.15 and look for some support around 76.63. All right, now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed up, did gap down significantly, actually went and broke through previous support, closed higher. We're looking for it to potentially go as high as 131.65, possibly as low as 128.93. Look for some resistance around 130.86 and look for some support around 129.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair gapped down, retraced. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 162.82, possibly as low as 160.60. Look for some resistance around 162.50 and look for some support around 161.10. Now the US Swiss, this pair gapped up, broke previous resistance but closed down, should fill the gap prior to the week's close. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9214, possibly as low as 0.9072. Look for some resistance around 0.9175 and look for some support around 0.9115. No significant news announcements being released during this next session. So let's go ahead and jump into what I'm looking at for this next session. If you take a look at the US-Japanese yen pair, you can see that we've had several points where we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 times the market has hit this trend line to the upside. We have another trend line that is developing. You can see that this is consolidating down to a large degree. I'm going to look for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside of this pair. And let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. You can see that this market moved down to previous areas of support. So if we get a break below, you look to sell around 79.61 or 62 and look for it to come on down to this trend line. I do believe that would be a quick little scalp if the market gets down to that point. Be about 31 pip move, 30 pip move or so. So that is definitely one to look for during this next session. Well, that wraps us up for today. Till next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.